I think being consistent and moreover staying on top of your work is very important. And Harini ma'am, she's had all of that experience in her life, and it's really great to actually inculcate that from her. Everywhere I go, people have told me, Vedant, I think your work ethic is great, everything is fine. I think one thing you do most certainly lack is discipline. I think that is something Harini ma'am has most certainly put into me. That little bit of push which actually makes me sit and actually work.
The biggest advice that they've given me is that no question is ever wrong, because in the beginning I had so many questions with the tiny pieces of information that I had regarding the script. Their main goal was to help me channelize my internal creativity and not to undermine myself or question myself too much. Once I stopped doing so, and once I was very vocal with my own opinions and I was really strong about them, I think we got along really well and we were able to create a very strong script.
He was really helpful throughout the journey of this mentorship. He helped me with everything from the starting foundation help, how you should go and pitch, and about taxations and everything. Whereas the piece of advice that really stood out from Sameer was, to look for what you want to do actually.
He wasn't like a mentor to me. He was more of a friend who was guiding me through knowledge that he already had. Me and Srijan really vibed and hit it off on the first day itself. And he was not there to tell me what to do, because he knew I know what to do. He was more there to tell me how it sounded, does it look nice or not. He gave me a lot of inputs, insights, and how I could make it more seamlessly easier for me in the future.
The first call happened with Amrapali. It was an instant vibe which we connected on. So obviously creative roadblocks come wherein there's guidance to be given. We were having a healthy discussion on how do we do the track, or she told me her thought process. I pitched in a couple of my ideas. Always helps to discuss and figure out things together.